bet you're like, why is Nikki doing a thrift haul? She don't need to be shopping. And Nikki was like, I'm doing a thrift haul out of my own death pile. Keep watching to see what I'm going to be listing.
Nikpikthrift, nikpikthrift, nikpikthrift.
Hey everyone. If you are new here, I go by nikpikthrift, better known as Nikki or Nicole. You probably don't know that I like to buy items from places such as the Goodwill outlets, Goodwill, thrift stores, and so on at a discounted price and sell it for a profit. But I was trying not to go thrifting. I have so much unlisted inventory that is just getting stellar by the second, and we need to get some of it listed. So I'm just going to show you a thrift haul of shoes that I was going to list. Okay guys, those first two totes, those are items that I have listed within these last 2 days. And then that third one over there is the tote that I still need to list. So let's see what we can find in here. The first thing I listed out of my death room were these shoes. I had sourced these last week sometime. I got a really good price. They're a size 8. They are made in Italy. They are by Gabbia. You really can't see in there, but yeah, you can't really see in there, but you gotta just trust me. I have these listed $35, and realistically, I seen the comps selling for around 30. Came out of mine, so these cost me nothing. I have the listed at 25. They're just a pair of Skechers size 10, the quilted top boots, really good condition. My calves are really big, and I had a hard time getting these over my calves, so I wore them twice without fighting them anymore. I'm just going to sell them. I have these listed at 25. Just a pair of Skechers plaid rain boots, really good condition. No, they're Sperry's, sorry. I've had these for a while. I don't know why I have not listed them. They are a size 8. They are listed for $25 in my closet. I also have these in my 4 for $20. They're just American Eagle gray booties. They look like they've never been worn or just tried on. They are a size 7.5, really good condition. Like I said, 4 for $20. I also have these Christian Serranos for Payless. They're these gray calf ruched side zipper boot. They don't look like they've ever been worn, but tried on. They are a size 9 wide. I have these listed for $25 in my closet. Listed last night. They are a Torrid. I got these the last thrift shop I went in. They're a Torrid. They are lace-up legs. These sold for, she bundled something. I had these listed at 25. She bundled this in a Torrid tank top, and I gave her half price. I had it listed at 50 for both of them, and I gave them to her for 25 for both. This is a new to me brand. This is the brand Theme. These are like a gold bronze faux alligator print slip-on flat. They are a size 8.5. I have these listed in my 4 for $20. I also have these listed at 25. They're a pair of Keds. They're like canvas sneaker shoes. Really good sole. They actually look like they haven't been worn on the outside, but I know they have been on the inside. So, like I said, I have these listed for $25 in my closet. I also have these Vionics listed. They're a size 11. They're cranberry or like a purple and black color. I have these listed at 55. Really good condition. I have these Danskos listed at 30. I've had these for a while. They're just a sandal type of Dansko. They're a size 40, so that's a 9.5 or 10. And they're just the suede-like material, really good condition. I expect these not to sell until the spring. Lucky brand boots listed at 35 in my closet. Really good condition, size 9.5. And I'm expecting these to sell pretty quick. I have these men's Nike size 14s. I was thinking about sending these to my son, but I don't think he would like them. They're too low for him. He likes the high tops. But they are his size, really good condition. I have these listed at 45 in my closet. I have these Asics listed at 38 in my closet. They are a size 9, really good condition. and I don't think these will stay long. Listed at $35. They're Monet. They're made in Italy. They're just a sling back, flat, black, flower, detail, point, toe, shoe. And they're listed at $35 in my closet. I have these Dansko leather brown slip-on clog shoes. They're leather. They do have, you know, they are scuffed up a little bit. I was not taking the time to fix them because that's why a lot of these shoes did not get listed to begin with. And some of them I've had near a year. They are a size 37, which is a 7.5 and 8. They are listed for $45. I have these Dansko suede brown clogs, size 38. So that's 8.5 or 9. Listed for $40 in my closet. Really good condition. I also have these Jelly Pops memory foams. They are in my 4 for $20. They're just a slip-on shoe, flat shoe. Really good condition. Size 10. So I have either them for 18 or in my 4 for $20. These Lucky Brand leather slip-on shoes. I bought these originally for me. They were too tight right here because I have a fat ass foot. And they're listed for $25 in my closet. These 9 West are just this floral slip-on shoe, squarish toe. They are really good condition. They are also listed for $25 in my closet. I figure realistically they'll sell for around $15 or $16. Are a Christian Serrano for Payless. It is a royal blue slip-on. They have this gold detail right there. They're really nice, really good condition. Like I said, $25 in my closet. Size 8 wide. I also have these Vince Camuto purple slip-on round toe shoe listed for $22 in my closet. They are a size 9. These are in my 4 for $20. They're just a new sling back point toe wine colored shoe. These are 4 for $20. Okay. I got these sloggers. I do have these pictured already. They are not listed. They're just like a rain clog. They are a size 9. So really good condition. These right here I have not listed yet. I do have a picture of them though. They have the vibrant bottoms. They're this burgundy color. They are AHNU. Anu? I don't know. Size 7. They're just like this maroon color outdoor shoe. Really good condition. Yeah. These I'm getting ready to list my 4 for $20. They are already pictured. They're just a champion low top lace up shoe, sneaker shoe, really good condition. Yeah. I also have these. They are the Tsubos. They're just a peep toe black ankle boot. They're in loved condition. Did note that in my listing, but yeah, these will be my 4 for $20. Just old school classic high top sneakers in just really good condition. I will be listing these at probably around $40 to $45. I also picked up these wrestling shoes. I've had these for almost a year. I finally listed them or got pictures taken of them. I don't even know how much to list them at, but I don't even know if these are actually considered good condition. They're just a little faded. But Nike Shock Reacts. I will be listing these for around $45 in my closet. Good condition. They are a size 8.5. Last ones that I already have pictured are these. They're just a men's Converse, or no, Vans. A men's Vans high top classic sneaker, size 11. And I already have pictures of these. These will make my closet good condition. Yeah, I got these a while back. They're just a pair of Birkenstocks, but the back cork is kind of trying to crumble a little bit, and they are my size. So I've been wearing them, and I'll probably end up keeping them. I ordered these online, online arbitrage. They are a pair of Jeffrey Campbell, like jelly pop shoes. Yeah, they're 10s. So they're brand new. I've had these almost a year. They are Red Wings, slip resistant, oil resistant shoe, men's shoe. Size, they are steel toe, size MI75, whatever that is. But yeah, I'm gonna list these today. They're the Spring Step Lariste. They are these maroon colored slip-on clogs. They do need a little bit of work, but still in good, loved condition. They remind me of Danskos. That's what they remind me of. They are a size 10, size 40. So youth Adidas high top sneakers. And they are size 7s. Now, I've had these for a while. Patrick gave me these because he didn't want them. He got them for him originally. But I cannot find a brand in them. I mean, they're really good shoes. The bottom does say Goodyear, but I didn't know if that was something that was redone. Or if that was the name of the boot. There's no writing down there. I don't know. So somebody leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you would approach this. They're dance shoes. So really good condition. Looks like I paid $5.99 for them. I don't think I would have paid that for them though. So probably got them on a sale. Jamboos is a really good brand. I did pay $6.99 for these. They're brand new. They're Jambu Hills. Now, Jamboos do, you know, they do have a respectable amount. They're size 11. Good size. They're really nice shoes. I would probably list these around $35. Probably go in, well, these will go in my 4 for $20 or $5. They're a size 10. They're Fionas. They're just like this ankle heel booty. They're really nice. They just need shined up, and these will also be my 4 for $20. They're just a pair of American Eagle wedge, slip-on wedges with a round toe. They are size 7 wide. We'll go to my 4 for $20. They're just Life Stride. I've had these for about 1.5 years. They're just some slingback, peep toe, black kitten wedges. They're just a little too big. They're Kuru, something like that. Kuru. They are a size 11.5. These will be getting listed today. These nice boots by KB Company. They're leather, made in Brazil. They're nice slip-on clogged boots. Really good condition. Probably not even worn. Yeah. Are a size 10. They're Naots. These, you know, resell for a really good price. They'll go for around 40 to 50 bucks. Crocs. They are a size. They're a size 8. They're just a wedge, floral rubber wedge. These will sell for around 20, 25. Up the other day, there's some Adrian Vitadali. These were 99 cents. Really good condition. Size 9. I also have these Paolas. They're a slip-on, small heel, square toe, leather shoe. These will probably get listed for around 30. I have these Vans. They are a size 9. They look like a boat shoe, kind of. And that's not even all of them, but that's all you're going to see today. These are some Antonio Melanis. They're just like these chocolate brown leather baby doll shoe. These will probably get listed for 25. And these are 20. They're CL Chinese laundry, size 10 wedge patent leather shoe. They're in good condition. So yeah, like a little series until I get everything listed in my death room after shoes, which I have 2 more boxes. Well, hell, let's go look at it.
Nope.
Don't forget to like, guys. Like this video, so it just helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe if you're already not, and hit that bell notification if you are, so you can get notified every time my crazy butt uploads another video. So, same time, same place, same pretty little face. Bye, y'all.